This year we'll probably do about 7.6 million. And I would say conservatively $1 million. We can say thank you to My Service Robot and that technology. And I can say that rather confidently without, it's just an instinct, right? But how many $100,000 jobs or $100,000 relationships do you need where you would have never had if you weren't top of mind? Because, so at scale for us, for the, relatively speaking to the power wash world, decent size, it's at least that, and then that starts to compound because it provides more opportunity and growth,
Yeah. Thanks for jumping on, Kris. Appreciate it. Kris is one of our My Service Robot users. So Kris, like before you joined My Service Robot and started using our automation software, what were some of the problems that you were having in your business? And, what were some things that you wanted to automate?
Sales follow-up was the first one. Yeah, there's so much fortune in the follow-up, right? And checking in on clients, and obviously a lot of quotes we can close over the phone initial call, but so many of them we can't. And just being able to stay in touch, stay top of mind, and build in some automation, because at a little bit more volume for us, that became just a dreary job that no one wanted, just to copy paste text messages or keep dialing out on leads that in today's age people don't even pick up the phone as much. So just the whole dialing out for numbers they didn't recognize, we needed some automation there, and that really helped us capture a lot of the business in our pipeline that we would have otherwise never been reachable. Just essential. You got to be able to stay top of mind with your clients.
What are I'm going to get a little crazy here. What do you love most about My Service Robot?
Probably your support. Fast. I don't like WhatsApp, but that's what you use. But man, your team has just been like on it with RG, our marketing manager. Just whenever there's any issues or questions or how-tos, you guys have videos for a lot of it. So that's helpful, a structured library of tools, and also a team that's there where, where the systems aren't searched or utilized on the user end, our side is bad. You guys have been there to help fill in the gaps.